The KAMRUI Pinova P2 offers a compact way to handle your daily computing needs without taking up precious desk space. It uses a capable mobile-class Ryzen chip to keep things moving smoothly. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into whether this fits your workflow. Here is how this mini PC performs across common daily tasks. The processor is more than enough to handle documents, spreadsheets, and emails without any noticeable slowdowns. Browser navigation feels smooth, allowing you to keep multiple tabs open while researching or catching up on news. It manages light multitasking well, keeping your workflow moving as you jump between different background applications and desktop tools. Do not expect to play modern gaming titles here, as the integrated graphics are designed for display output rather than. This machine handles office work and browsing with ease, though it is not designed for heavy. We looked at the value proposition for this budget-oriented PC. You get a strong balance of storage and port connectivity for your money, making it a functional desktop replacement. Keep in mind that you are choosing a brand with less legacy support compared to industry giants, which impacts the price is highly appealing during sales, providing an excellent entry point for a capable home computer. This offers great value as long as you find it priced competitively against newer models on. Important considerations before you finalize your purchase. Support options are available, though you should not expect the same level of assistance found with major computer manufacturers. Software compatibility is excellent, as it runs all standard Windows applications without any specific roadblocks or driver issues. Because it uses an older generation of processor, it might not keep up with the latest software advancements as well. The primary risks involve navigating the older hardware generation and relying on a smaller brand for. Ultimately, this is a sensible choice if you are strictly focused on everyday office work, light multitasking, or media playback. It avoids the sluggishness of entry-level processors, providing a snappy experience for standard apps. Just keep in mind that you are buying into a niche brand without top-tier support.